Hello, money magicians. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics everyone's thinking about, how to make more money. But here's the twist. We're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes or any of that flashy nonsense. Nope, today is all about 10 simple, rock-solid steps to boost your income, increase your wealth, and make money work for you. Each of these steps is backed by wisdom, practicality, and let's be honest, a touch of irony, because life isn't always a straight line to success. In today's video, we're unveiling a roadmap to make more money that anyone can follow, regardless of where you are in your financial journey. We'll dive into proven principles inspired by financial legends like Brian Tracy, designed to help you build a solid foundation for lasting wealth. But before we jump in, let me share a story about the man whose insights shaped today's lessons. Brian Tracy wasn't always the successful author and motivational speaker we know today. In fact, he started from humble beginnings, working as a laborer in his teens, traveling the world and doing odd jobs to get by. At one point, he even hit rock bottom, working on a ship for months on end. But instead of accepting his circumstances, Brian decided he was going to learn everything he could about success, wealth, and financial freedom. He read hundreds of books, studied successful people, and began implementing every strategy he came across. Little by little, he applied what he learned, made smarter financial choices, and grew his wealth from the ground up. His story is a reminder that no matter where you start, the right mindset, resilience, and strategies can change everything. So let's dive into these 10 steps, inspired by the very wisdom that transformed Brian Tracy's life. The foundation of wealth building starts with purpose. Without a clear understanding of why you want to make money, it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of earning and spending without any real direction. Think about it. If you're chasing money for its own sake, you might achieve short-term success, but it won't bring lasting fulfillment. As Brian Tracy emphasizes, clarity on your purpose transforms the way you approach every financial decision. So ask yourself, what's driving your desire for wealth? Maybe it's the freedom to travel the world, secure your family's future, or retire early. Whatever your reason, defining it gives you a sense of direction. When you know why you're on this journey, you're less likely to make impulsive financial decisions and more likely to stick to a plan. Here's an exercise. Write down your financial purpose and visualize what your life looks like once you've achieved it. How do you feel? What opportunities open up? This vision is what will keep you motivated. And when obstacles arise, remembering your purpose will make it easier to stay disciplined. Your why becomes your financial North Star, guiding your decisions and helping you prioritize what truly matters. Now that you know your purpose, let's set the wheels in motion with clear, achievable goals. Once you've defined your purpose, the next step is to translate that purpose into actionable goals. Having financial goals brings focus and direction to your journey. It's like the title of this video, Make More Money with these 10 simple steps, clear and direct. Your goals should be the same, clear, specific, and tailored to your vision of success. Start by setting both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals can be things like paying off credit card debt or saving a specific amount each month. Long-term goals might include buying a home, investing for retirement, or achieving financial independence. When you set these goals, make sure they're smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of a vague goal like save money, try something concrete like save $500 a month for the next year. Goals are powerful motivators because they turn dreams into achievable milestones. They also help you measure your progress. Every time you hit a milestone, it boosts your confidence and keeps you on track. Having goals also prevents you from drifting. They remind you of the bigger picture and the steps needed to get there. With clear goals in place, it's time to talk about choosing the right financial vehicle that will carry you towards those goals. When it comes to building wealth, selecting the right financial vehicle is crucial. This means identifying the career, business, or investment path that best aligns with your skills, values, and goals. Brian Tracy emphasizes that your vehicle is what will drive you towards financial success, and choosing wisely can mean the difference between stagnant progress and exponential growth. The first step in choosing your vehicle is understanding your strengths and interests. Are you naturally inclined toward leadership, creativity, or analytical thinking? For instance, if you're a great communicator, a career in sales, marketing, or public relations might be an ideal fit. If you're analytical and prefer working with numbers, you might excel as a financial analyst or in a role related to investments. The right vehicle isn't always about what pays the most initially. It's about finding a path where your skills and values align with income potential. For example, someone who values flexibility and autonomy might prefer freelancing or entrepreneurship over a traditional job. On the other hand, someone who enjoys stability might find fulfillment and financial growth in a well-structured corporate role with opportunities for advancement. It's also essential to consider the growth potential of your chosen vehicle. Research the industry, potential for income growth, and whether it aligns with your lifestyle goals. And remember, you can always adjust your path. Many successful people have switched vehicles mid-career to find something better suited to their strengths and passions. Choosing the right vehicle is about playing to your strengths and setting yourself up for sustainable financial success. Now that you've identified the vehicle that suits you, let's move on to a crucial wealth-building principle: adding value. If there's one principle every successful person understands, it's this: money follows value. Brian Tracy emphasizes that wealth is a byproduct of creating, enhancing, and delivering value to others. Whether you're an employee, entrepreneur, or investor, the more value you provide, the higher your income potential. In a career setting, adding value might mean improving processes, helping colleagues succeed, or going above and beyond in your role. Think of ways you can contribute to the company's success or make your boss's job easier. This not only helps the organization, but also makes you an indispensable part of the team, increasing your chances of raises and promotions. For entrepreneurs, adding value means finding ways to solve customers' problems and making their lives easier. This could be through exceptional service, a unique product, or solving a specific pain point that's otherwise ignored. The more you solve problems, the more people are willing to pay for your solutions. Investors, too, can add value by choosing assets that positively impact communities, such as real estate developments that provide affordable housing or stocks in companies with sustainable practices. When you focus on value creation, wealth flows naturally, as people will always pay for something that makes their lives better or easier. Now let's look at how going the extra mile in your work can accelerate your path to wealth, following our mission to make more money. One of the fastest ways to increase your income is by excelling in your role. Brian Tracy shares that by going above and beyond the minimum requirements, you can stand out in any organization and position yourself for promotions, bonuses, and recognition. To get paid more and promoted faster, start by understanding what truly matters in your role. Identify the key metrics or projects that your company values most and find ways to contribute to those areas. By focusing on high-impact tasks, you demonstrate your commitment to the organization's success. For example, if you work in sales, closing more deals or building relationships with high-value clients can make a noticeable difference. Another way to stand out is by showing initiative. Rather than waiting for instructions, proactively look for ways to improve processes or solve problems. This mindset doesn't go unnoticed and often positions you as a leader, even if it's informal at first. As your contributions add up, you become an invaluable asset to your organization, which can lead to higher pay and career advancement. Investing in skill development is also key. Continuously improving yourself, whether it's through courses, certifications, or learning from mentors, keeps you relevant and enhances your value to the organization. The combination of delivering exceptional results and constant learning makes you a prime candidate for higher positions and better pay. Next, let's dive into why mastering your craft can be a game changer in your financial journey. When you become an expert at what you do, you automatically increase your earning potential. Tracy explains that mastery builds confidence, credibility, and demand for your skills or products, which translates into more money. When people recognize you as a master in your field, opportunities come knocking on your door. Achieving mastery starts with a commitment to lifelong learning. Dedicate time to reading industry-related books, taking courses, and practicing your skills. Stay updated with trends and innovations in your field, as these can set you apart from the competition. For example, if you're a graphic designer, keeping up with the latest design software and techniques makes you more valuable to clients or employers. Mastery is also about consistency and persistence. It's easy to be good at something, but to be great, you have to push beyond comfort zones. This might mean taking on challenging projects, seeking feedback, and continuously honing your skills. Over time, your hard work pays off, and you become known as a go-to expert in your area. A masterful reputation attracts better clients, higher salaries, and exclusive opportunities. When people see you as the best in your field, they're willing to pay a premium for your expertise, and this financial advantage can compound over time. Let's move on to the next step, exploring how serving others can directly boost your financial success. Get ready to make more money with these simple steps. One of the greatest lessons in wealth building is that helping others succeed is a direct path to building your own success. Brian Tracy explains that when you genuinely aim to help others, be it your clients, colleagues, or community, you create lasting value that naturally attracts wealth. In a career setting, serving others could mean mentoring a colleague, supporting team goals, or sharing knowledge that benefits the group. Your willingness to lift others can establish you as a leader and someone people want to work with. Over time, this reputation leads to more opportunities, as people naturally gravitate toward those who add value to their lives. In business, focusing on serving customers creates loyalty. When customers feel they are genuinely helped and valued, they not only return but often refer others. This principle of service is why some of the most successful businesses prioritize customer satisfaction above all. The trust you build from serving others lays a solid foundation for long-term financial success. The beauty of this approach is that it creates a win-win scenario. As you help others achieve their goals, you also build a supportive network, earn trust, and open doors to new opportunities. Serving others is a powerful, indirect route to growing your income and achieving financial success. Next, let's explore how effectively marketing yourself can boost your financial journey. Whether you're an employee, freelancer, or business owner, knowing how to market and sell yourself is a crucial skill. Brian Tracy emphasizes that self-promotion is not about boasting, but about showcasing your value to potential employers, clients, and partners. Start by identifying your unique skills, accomplishments, and contributions. Develop a personal brand that reflects your expertise and the value you bring. This brand could be built through social media, a personal website, or networking events where you share insights in your field. The goal is to make sure people know who you are, what you do, and why you're good at it. Self-promotion also includes communicating your achievements effectively. Instead of waiting for someone to notice, take ownership of sharing your successes and the impact you bring. This could mean updating your resume, discussing your progress in performance reviews, or seeking testimonials from clients. By positioning yourself as a valuable asset, you increase the likelihood of higher-paying offers and opportunities for advancement. When done right, marketing yourself positions you as an authority, which makes people more willing to invest in your skills or services. Self-promotion is an essential step in building a strong financial foundation. Moving forward, let's shift our mindset to transform our approach to wealth building. We'll explore the concept of seeing yourself as self-employed. Let's continue our journey to make more money. Here's the truth. Even if you work for someone else, adopting an entrepreneurial mindset is essential for maximizing your earning potential. Tracy suggests that by seeing yourself as self-employed, you take full responsibility for your success, proactively seeking growth opportunities and treating your job as if it were your own business. This mindset shift changes how you approach your work. Rather than simply completing tasks, you're now looking for ways to make an impact, improve efficiency, and drive results. Think of yourself as the CEO of your career. You set your vision, identify growth opportunities, and make decisions that serve your financial interests. This approach doesn't mean going against your employer's goals, but aligning your ambitions with the company's. By focusing on results that add value to the business, you make yourself indispensable. Over time, this can lead to promotion, salary increases, or new opportunities. Seeing yourself as self-employed also empowers you to build additional income streams, such as freelancing, consulting, or creating a side business. This flexibility and proactive mindset are powerful tools for achieving financial independence. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of surrounding yourself with the right people on your journey to wealth. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your success. Brian Tracy emphasizes that building a network of like-minded, goal-oriented individuals is essential for personal and financial growth. Positive influences help you stay motivated, hold you accountable, and encourage you to reach higher. Find mentors who inspire you and connect with people who have already achieved the goals you're aiming for. Their experiences and advice can shorten your learning curve and give you valuable insights into wealth-building strategies. Conversely, limiting your time with negative influences or people who don't align with your goals can keep you on the path to success. Surrounding yourself with driven, positive individuals creates an environment that nurtures growth and financial success. Over time, you'll find that the right network not only supports you, but also opens doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations that can help you make more money. And there you have it. 10 powerful steps to making more money and building the life you desire. Remember, each step is simple yet transformative. Keep practicing them consistently and watch how your wealth grows. If you found these insights enlightening, I highly recommend checking out my next video, which complements this one perfectly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which steps resonated with you the most? Or maybe there's another financial topic you'd like us to cover. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.